Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tea using milk powder, updated. Start by boiling fresh water and choosing your tea strength. Add loose leaf or a tea bag and steep for the recommended time. Create a smooth milk mix by dissolving milk powder in a few tablespoons of warm water. Combine tea and milk mix, sweeten if desired, and taste adjust for strength and creaminess. Dissolve milk powder fully before adding to hot tea to prevent grittiness and improve texture. Try a tablespoon of milk powder per 8 oz for a start and adjust to taste. If you prefer richer tea, use less water in the milk mix instead of more powder. Sweeten with sugar or honey after mixing so you can control sweetness precisely and maintain smoothness. For a spiced variation, add crushed cardamom, cinnamon, or ginger to the steeping tea for aromatic depth. To make iced milk tea, brew stronger tea, chill it, and use a slightly thicker milk powder mix so flavor holds over ice. Swap tea types to vary caffeine and taste. Green tea yields a lighter cup, while black tea gives a bolder, more robust profile that pairs well with milk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.